So today we're going to talk about the tangrams and the lesson that I posted on the e-college. So a tangram is a square that was created in China with a bunch of different small figures, and by rearranging them you can create different figures. So in this lesson you're going to see how with the use of these figures you can create different shapes. Like for example, we have a whale, we have a spaceship, we have a race car, some of them are outlined for you. We have a dinosaur, camel, and a bee. So let's start with the bee because it's outlined. All you gotta do is use all of the pieces. The rules of the tangrams is you use all of the pieces and make sure you fulfill the space given to you. So on this one is provided by you this on the drawing, and you just gotta match it. The advantage of this lesson is that it outlines everything for you, and it tells you that at first you're gonna start with a little story of a book where it lets the student practice and discover more about tangrams. Then you're gonna go into this. Now they give you the outline of these tangrams to print out and have each student cut. The disadvantage of that is, like I mentioned on my post, it can take a lot of time because students might take longer in cutting than some other students. So let's try a different shape that has no outlining, so you can see how it will work out. Let's do the wall. So on the wall you can do a little bit of trial, of like error, test and error, see if you get it right. So let's say as a student you gotta think that they're gonna try different shapes as they go. So let's say they might try to put that there and see there's a hole there, so you gotta make sure you use all of the space and all the shapes. So the proper way to do this one is fulfill the nose with a square, and that shows you that there's a space for the middle triangle. So there's two big triangles, a middle one and two small ones, square and a parallelogram. Then on this side you get to choose where to put the triangles in a parallelogram. But since both of the smaller triangles form the size of one parallelogram, it doesn't really matter, so you can flip it back. Then the next step that they give you, they kind of migrate from the tangrams to another part where it uses different shapes and kind of fulfill those shapes. So they're the pattern blocks that we used before, and they also give you a cutout so you can use them. So they give you a bunch of different little ones, and they give you these maps. It's called the art gallery or the shape gallery, where you have to do each shape with the number of shapes that they're giving you. For example, on the little penguin guy that they're giving you, they're telling you to use one of these, two of these, two of these, two of these, square, and that's it. So just like the tangrams, you gotta find the proper placement of each of the figures. I'm sorry, not two triangles, it's three triangles. Over there, and I just messed it up by touching all of them, but you get the idea. So you go through all the different shapes and all the different figures. You have the students working partner, so they can kind of like help each other out and try to figure it out. Some of them are a bit harder and you gotta think about it more, but that's it. So this is pattern blocks and tangrams on the lesson for 4th to 8th grade math. Thank you.